You know, lately the cruise news has been up, the cruise news has been down. But today, I am happy to report nothing but good cruise news stories for you, and we're going to get into them all right after this. Chris with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, so nothing but good cruise news stories. So let's jump right on in with Norwegian Cruise Lines. So thanks to an injunction by the judge there in Florida, Norwegian Cruise Lines has started sailing again as of this last Sunday. The Norwegian Gem is out on her 7-day cruise. First cruise for Norwegian Cruise Lines out of the state of Florida. 100% vaccinated crew and 100% vaccinated passengers. Also today, MSC Cruise Lines celebrates 1 year back cruising again. So 1 year ago today, MSC returned to cruising, and they have been successfully cruising ever since then. They started off in Europe. They have resumed here in the United States as well, and they have proven all along that their health and safety protocols can keep cruise passengers safe and can allow cruising to continue. So good job, MSC Cruise Lines. Now this past weekend, they broke ground in the port of Galveston here in Texas for Royal Caribbean's new $125 million cruise terminal. So this is good news for folks here in Texas, and it is good news for Royal Caribbean fans, because when this cruise port is completed in November of 2022, we are going to get our first Oasis class ship. Allure of the Seas is going to be home ported here in Galveston, Texas. Now, up to this point, I have not sailed on an Oasis class cruise ship with Royal Caribbean. So when the Allure of the Seas gets here, I guarantee you I am going to be booking on that ship. I am really looking forward to checking out one of those big giant monsters, because that is definitely going to be the largest cruise ship that we will have here in Texas. And our last good cruise story of the day today is Disney Cruise Lines. Now they have made a small, and it is a small, adjustment to their onboard masking policy. So if you remember Disney Cruise Lines masking policy, all cruise passengers, whether you're vaccinated or unvaccinated, are required to wear a mask indoors at all times, except in your stateroom and when sitting down actively eating or drinking. Well, apparently this created a couple of issues on Disney Cruise Lines because people like to take pictures, whether it be around the ship or with the characters, and they were required to wear the mask while taking these pictures. So Disney Cruise Lines has made an adjustment where you do not have to wear the mask while you are standing still taking a picture, provided you can be socially distanced. Don't try to do it in a big crowd or anything like that, but hey, if you are inside and want to snap a quick picture, according to Disney, you can remove the mask in order to take the picture. So like I said, a small change, but sometimes just the smallest of changes can make a difference in someone's cruise vacation. At least you can get your pictures and not have to wear a mask in all of them. And for me, that is a win. All right, so I hope you did enjoy today's quick, short cruise news video. Like I said, nothing but good stories today. If you did like it, just do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.